Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about 1000 square feet, 111 square yard or 92 square meter, house construction cost. When anyone thinks about constructing a new house for them, they start to search for house construction costs. They try to relate the what is 1000 square feet house construction cost with their construction. When you take decision of constructing new house, following questions arise in mind. What will be the construction cost? What will be the materials costing? What will be labor charges? What will be electrical, plumbing costing? What will be the total construction cost? Suppose your plot area is 1000 square feet. Step 1. Find out the construction rate in your area. The construction rate is the charge or costs the contractor takes for square foot house construction. Construction rate unit is Rs. Square feet. For example, the construction rate is 1000 Rs/square foot. Construction rate may vary depending on contractor. Try to find out lower construction rate charging and quality work providing contractor in your area. There is always a risk in choosing a contractor with a lower construction rate that may not provide quality work as per your requirement. So, do good research work on his past construction project before assigning work to him. Step 2. Decide how to assign work. Labor contract only. Labor contract means you only assign or give the labor work to the contractor and materials will be yours. So, you have to provide materials supply on site. But, this method may not be suitable for you if you are doing the job because for materials supply you have to do lots of market survey and keep running to continue the work on site. So, if you are free or you can take 3 to 4 month holiday, then you can do it, otherwise it will not suitable for you. But, there are various advantages in assigning labor contact to contractor. You can choose the materials that you want. The material of your choice means quality assured. The contractor use materials as per requirement, don't try to save them. You have full control on materials quality, that's important for house construction. Material and labor contract. In this type of contract, you assign the whole work to a contractor. It means materials and labor supply will be from the contractor's side, you don't need to worry about it. If you don't have time to stay on site and supply material, then you can assign all work to a contractor at some fixed construction rate. There are various disadvantages of materials and labor contact. The contractor may not buy quality materials for you as he wants to save as much as possible. The contractor doesn't allow to use the required materials in construction as he wants to save and increase his profit. Quality of materials not assured because you don't have control over that. The contractor may be used second quality materials. Step 3. How to calculate 1,000 square feet house construction cost. For example, your plot area is 1,000 square foot and you want to build house on that. Contractor's construction rate is 1,000 r/square feet. Then, cost of construction equals 1,000 x 10000 equals 10,00,000, 10 lakh. Contractor will charge you 10 lakh for construction of house from foundation to finish. 1,000 square feet house material required. Following are the materials and their quantity required for 1,000 square feet house construction cost. So, for 1,000 sq ft house construction cost will be around Rs 10 lakh to Rs 12 lakh for depending upon the material and labor costing. You can also confirm cost by taking advice of the local builder or architect to know the construction cost. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.